Hey, that's a weird coincidence, man. I took a ride the other day with my friend who's a bus driver, right? And we're in he drives in Point St. Charles here in Montreal, and he sponsored this. He says, check out that old Econoline, that old Ford Econoline. I said, oh yeah. I said, I've seen this guy a few times. I've seen him in my neighborhood. I've seen him Verdun. Yellow and brown, kind of very old school. 76, same front as this. Same thing, same grill. This is a rare truck, man. Man, it's in fucking great condition. Holy shit. You know, me from standing over there from the sidewalk, I'm visually impaired. I can't really, you know, things are not apparent to me right away. Oftentimes, you know, and wow. This thing looks like it just rolled out of a fucking dealer almost. Wheels are nice and clean. There's no rust. Man, this thing was, as we say in French, retapé. It was restored. Absolutely. Wow, that's a very nice camper. You know, a lot of times you see these trucks or these RVs, and you know, they're in good shape, but they're not really clean like that. Not at that age. I mean, that Econoline I was just talking about, that I've seen a few times, 76. I mean, it's in good shape, but it's got flaws. It's not great, believe me. It's not clean like this. You know, it's a driver condition, as we call it. That's un petit beau camper, ça. My God, that's nice. Hey, Joe, if you see that, there you go. I hope you're inspired. Look at that. It even has the deluxe model van trim. Like, you know, this is the front of the van. So they, like a Dodge Tradesman or a GMC Vendeur or whatever. Fucking beautiful truck. Man, what's the mileage on this thing? Must be like something ridiculously low. Oh, I see some tools on the seat. Well, you know, it's a Ford, eh? Which means fix or repair daily or found on road dead. There's certain truth to that, unfortunately, and Chrysler products don't fare a lot better either. But, you know, we love them all, don't we, when we have a serious addiction to these old vehicles. Hey, look at that. Now, that's a nice siding, which we're talking about just fucking 2 blocks from my place. Let's just get one last view of it. I want to get a nice side view of it. So, is it a coincidence I see this camper here? Maybe a couple of years ago, there was a really nice Caravelle parked over here across the street from that really awesome steam locomotive artwork. Anyway, yeah, really nice Caravelle. If you don't know what a Caravelle is, it's a Canadian version of a Diplomat or a Grand Fury. That's a beau camper, man. And you know, by the way, one more thing, it's not white, it's like antique white or cream white, which is nice, you know, because me, the pure white, okay, yeah, wait a minute, look at this. There's the Dodge Ram Extended van camper, and this one I'm pretty sure I filmed it, but I don't know. Some of these, you know, gray was a popular color even back then, and blue. So I don't know. I don't know if I did or not. But anyway, here it is, and it's an interesting comparison with that modern day caravan, which I don't really care for. Anyway, so that's about it, and hope you liked it. And yeah, you know what? It's funny. I just filmed one of these in a walk on Notre Dame Street near here. Again, extended body, about the same years. I don't know, what is this, 87, 86 to like 93? And just like we had when I was a kid, we had these mini school buses, you know, but I never took the school bus, period, because I lived near school, you know. So, anyway, guys, that's it, man, and I hope you dig it and dug it, and if not, well, too fucking bad. And, oh, look at this. It's a green alley. It says Ruelle Verte, which means green alley. It's environmentally friendly. Which what I filmed is not. Anyway, too bad.